Okay, hello everyone. This is Elizabeth from theroadtomakingmoremoney.com, and in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about how you can make $1,500 per month in recurring income. I know it sounds like a lot, and I know it sounds maybe that's impossible, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Before we get started though, in today's video, I want to talk about what this channel is all about for those of you who are new. On this channel, I try to show you ways that you can make money online and generate a passive income through affiliate marketing and through building your own business online. So if you're interested in that kind of content, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell notification so that you know whenever I put out videos just like this one. Okay, to get started with today's video though, let me just start by saying that this is a program that I use and that I started out with back in 2013, and this is actually how I make a full-time income online. It's through affiliate marketing, and for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'm just going to give you a brief explanation. I've done other videos on this, but I'll just keep it quick for right now. Affiliate marketing is basically you're promoting other people's products and getting a commission for doing so. And so you're referring people to other people's products or programs or services, and they pay you a commission in return. So that's pretty simple. That's basically the gist of it. So in this program that I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,500 per month in recurring income. It's very important to remember it's going to be recurring. So it's not a one-time income. It'll be happening month after month. So let's get into it. This is the program right here. This is called Wealthy Affiliate. It's the platform that I've used, like I said, since 2013. And the beautiful thing about this program is not only does it allow you to earn money by referring people to the platform, but it also has all the training to teach you how to do this. And it also has all the tools that are essential to building an online business and to being a successful affiliate marketer. So let's get into the program right now. I'm going to show you the details. These are the program details. And as you can see, just by referring people to Wealthy Affiliate, you can earn $23.50 per referral every month. And then also here you see you earn $175 if they go to the yearly plan. That means they pay up front for a year, which is actually a great deal because they get to save a lot of money on that. So, but right now we're just going to focus on the $23.50 per month. So for every referral that you get that goes premium, you're going to get this $23.50. So if you do the math, just real quickly, let's say you get 5 referrals in a month, you're going to be making over $100 that month. Let's say the next month you are able to refer 5 more people that go premium. That's going to add another a little over $100. So you're at $200 now for the second month. And so on and so forth. It snowballs more and more as you go. So the way you earn this $23.50 is you have to be a premium member. I will go ahead and point that out. If you're not a premium member and you're in the starter membership, which is free, you're going to be earning $11.75 per month. So that's half of the $23.50. Still a great income. A lot of people stay at the free membership, and then once they start referring people and kind of get this recurring monthly income, they're able to upgrade. It's up to you, whatever you'd rather do, but if you're going to start out being premium, you're going to get there a lot faster because you're going to be earning twice as much per referral. Okay, let's go down and I'm going to show you real quick what I was talking about. $1,500 per month. So, well, this is a little under, but I just rounded it to make it easier to say. So if you get 5 referrals per day, and at a 12% upgrade rate, so that means 12% of those people are going to upgrade to premium, and let's say they stay around for 4 months, that's an average, it can be more, it can be less, then per month you're going to be receiving $14.58. So a little under $1,500 per month. So that's pretty awesome. I mean, I feel like you can share this with 5 people per day for sure. And this 12% upgrade rate, sometimes it's more than that. So you could actually be making more than this. If I've seen people that have had half of their referrals, so 50% upgrade, that go to premium. So, you know, this number is just an estimation, obviously. But as you can see, that's not hard to do. 5 referrals per day, and just going with the lowest, the 12% upgrade rate, you're just already making close to $1,500 per month. And I know for a lot of y'all, that could change your life. That could get you started down the road to financial freedom. And I'm going to show you just real quick the example scenario number 2 here. Let's say you are able to get 50 referrals per day, 12% upgrade rate, and a 6-month average, you're making $22,000 a month. Is that crazy? That's recurring income. So the next month you're making another 22, another 22. I mean, that's crazy results. Obviously, that's going to be a little bit more harder to attain, but this first scenario is not that difficult, especially once you use the training that Wealthy Affiliate provides. So if you'll look right up here, look at all these courses. This is called the Bootcamp course, and this is basically teaching you how to promote this product. They also have training on if you want to get into a different niche. Maybe you are into sports or in the fitness and nutrition niche. There's training on how to do that as well. This is specifically for promoting Wealthy Affiliate and earning this referral income. So they teach you how to do everything. And while you implement this, you're earning money, which is a great benefit to this program. You can earn while you learn. So if you're interested in this, I'm going to leave a link in the description. And if you sign up under my link, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you several bonuses. And one of the bonuses is you can have personal access to me. So you can always, at any given time, you can just shoot me a message within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. And if you have any questions, or if you get stuck, or you just need advice, I'm here for you, and I'm here for you to bounce ideas off of, anything. And so you're going to have that. And also, whenever you get your websites up and running, if you want someone to take a look at it, or kind of give their opinion on how does it look, am I doing everything correctly, should I change anything, fonts or buttons or whatever, I would be more than happy to look at your website, kind of give you a critique on it. And like I said, all you got to do is send me a message within Wealthy Affiliate to give a link to your website and say, hey, could you take a look at this for me and kind of give me your opinion, and I'd be more than happy to do that for you. That's if you use the link in the description. And let me tell you what after you click on that link, let me show you what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to go to your profile. Here's my profile right here. Okay, and what you're going to want to do first thing is, you know, put a picture, upload a picture. If you don't have a picture of yourself right away, you can change that later. There's some stock photos, no big deal. Just go ahead and add a picture to your profile, and then also write a little bit about yourself. You don't here's my profile here, but if you don't want to write a couple paragraphs right now, that's fine. You can also, once again, change that later. You know, maybe just write that you're excited to be here, you're willing to learn, something along those lines. Just kind of like let everybody know why you're here and what you hope to accomplish. All right, once you're done with that, I will be getting in touch with you within the hour. As soon as you sign up, I'll be getting in touch with you. And while you're waiting for that, you're going to want to go over here to the training area and click on Affiliate Bootcamp. That's where you're going to get started. And you can get started here with the first course. Okay? And you're just going to click on Lesson 1. And then you can go ahead and get started immediately. Right after you sign up and finish your profile, you can get started. So I invite you to do that if you're interested in building a passive income. Like I said, if you have any questions, always just shoot me a message within Wealthy Affiliate and I will be happy to answer it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a like. And also remember to subscribe if you're new. And I will see y'all in the next video.